My name is Tschabalala Self. I'm a painter from Harlem, New York. Because my primary inspiration is the Black body, particularly the Black female body, when I think about hair or I think about skin, color and texture, I think really help those figures feel alive on the painting plane. I was attracted to the Bodega for a number of reasons. It's kind of like the nucleus of a lot of communities because it's a store that serves so many different functions. It was really talking about a certain kind of dynamic that exists in transactional spaces, ways in which people are made to feel in stores, how architecture of environments, signs like no loitering or signs that, let's say, free Wi-Fi, how that kind of messaging affects the communities and the individuals that enter those spaces. I have always wanted in my work to have this vessel almost in which Blackness can be spoken about in relation to itself, not constantly be placed in relation to the other. I think that the Bodega is a very, very interesting space because it speaks to multiculturalism, speaks to diversity, speaks to racial dynamics within a vacuum of POC life, which is very, very unique.